Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Pilot cabin air filter. Only way. Locate the glove box and open it fully, then remove the glove box stops so it lowers. Slide out the old filter from the housing carefully to avoid dust spread. Inspect the compartment, wipe with a soft cloth, and insert the new filter oriented with airflow arrows. Reassemble the glove box and test HVAC airflow for improvement. Prepare your tools before starting to keep the job simple and tidy. Remove the glove box stops gently and lower the compartment so you can reach the filter housing without forcing panels. Take out the old filter slowly to minimize dust escaping into the cabin. Compare the new filter side and airflow arrows to the old one, then slide the new filter into place and close the glove box securely. Follow the steps in order for a clean, efficient replacement and avoid extra disassembly. Squeeze the glove box sides to drop it clear of the stops, then unclip the filter housing cover using a flat tool if needed. Remove the old filter and inspect for debris or rodent nesting, then install the new filter with arrows pointing toward the cabin. Reassemble the cover and glove box, then test the system to confirm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.